can't turn it off. Same shit, different knives. Every mistake on repeat now. Back louder when it's quiet. Can't escape what I did wrong. Brain won't let me forget nothing. Lying here staring at the ceiling again. Count the ways I messed it up. Should've kept my mouth shut back then. Now it's all I think about. Try to numb it but it comes back stronger. Every word I said that I can't take back. Every move I made that pushed them away. And I'm stuck rewatching all of it. Silence makes it worse somehow. Just me and all my fuck-ups. No distraction strong enough. Thought I learned but I keep doing it. Same patterns, different people. I'm the problem that won't solve itself. Can't sleep, can't think, can't breathe right. Just replaying everything I ruined. Every mistake on repeat now. Like louder when it's quiet. Can't escape what I did wrong. Brain won't let me forget nothing. Sun's coming up soon. Still haven't slept. Still running through it all again.